Let's study about biogas plant. The plant has a dome-like structure built with bricks, an inlet valve and an outlet valve. It has a gas chamber where there is no oxygen. Pour the slurry of cow dung and water into the gas chamber. Gas is produced by the anaerobic microorganisms that do not require oxygen to decompose or break down complex compounds of the cow dung slurry. It takes a few days for the decomposition process to be complete and generate gases like methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and hydrogen sulfide. The biogas is stored in the gas tank above the digester, from which they are drawn through pipes for use.